Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to change screen zoom in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To change our screen zoom, we have to go to Settings, then we are looking for Display Options, and here in Screen Layout and Zoom, we have this little slider here. There are only two positions. As you can see, we can make our screen a little zoom out if we want to, and that's it. The difference is not very big, but it can be quite visible, and if we want to see more on the screen at once. So that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.